Are you passionate about creating a better world, but find yourself questioning how to make a real impact effectively? What if we told you there is a way to address some of the world's biggest challenges with cutting-edge technology? Welcome to Responsible AI, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about artificial intelligence. The right way to develop and use AI tools. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence plays a key role in solving global problems. From combating climate change to revolutionizing healthcare and transforming education, AI projects are making significant strides toward a more sustainable and equitable future. First, let us delve into how AI is tackling climate change. One of the most pressing issues of our time. Climate change demands urgent and innovative solutions. AI is being harnessed to analyze vast amounts of data from weather patterns, atmospheric conditions, and resource usage. These analyses help in predicting natural disasters, optimizing energy consumption, and even in developing smarter cities. Imagine an AI that can predict hurricanes, enabling communities to prepare and potentially save thousands of lives. Or think about AI-driven systems that optimize energy consumption in buildings, significantly reducing carbon footprints. Not only are these AI initiatives mitigating the effects of climate change, but they are also fostering sustainable practices. Businesses can now use AI to monitor their supply chains more effectively, minimizing waste and promoting sustainability. Agricultural practices are also benefiting, as AI-powered systems optimize irrigation, reduce pesticide use, and improve crop yields. These advancements in AI are empowering various sectors to become active participants in the fight against climate change. Now let us turn our attention to healthcare. The integration of AI in healthcare has opened up incredible possibilities, transforming the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. AI algorithms can analyze medical imaging faster and more accurately than humans, catching illnesses early and saving lives. Think about the potential of AI in genomics, where it can predict genetic predispositions to certain diseases, allowing for preventive measures. AI-driven telemedicine platforms are also breaking barriers, providing remote consultations and diagnoses in areas where healthcare access is limited. These platforms ensure that everyone, regardless of their geographical location, has access to quality healthcare. Moreover, AI's contribution to drug discovery is accelerating the development of new treatments for diseases, making healthcare more effective and accessible. AI's impact doesn't stop there. In the field of education, AI is transforming the learning experience by providing personalized education to students everywhere. Traditional education systems, often plagued by one-size-fits-all approaches, are now giving way to AI-powered programs that tailor learning experiences to individual needs. Imagine an AI tutor that understands your learning style and adapts lessons accordingly, ensuring that you grasp complex concepts at your own pace. These AI initiatives are also addressing educational equity by providing personalized learning plans based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. AI ensures that no student is left behind. Additionally, AI is breaking language barriers, offering real-time translations that allow students from different linguistic backgrounds to learn together. Virtual classrooms powered by AI are bringing top-quality education to remote and underserved areas, bridging the gap in educational disparities. Beyond these specific fields, AI is fostering innovation and efficiency across various industries. From smarter manufacturing processes to enhanced cybersecurity measures, AI is making significant strides that benefit society as a whole. In manufacturing, AI-driven automation not only boosts productivity but also ensures better quality control and safer working environments. In the service industry, AI is enhancing customer experiences through personalized recommendations and efficient service delivery. Think of AI chatbots that provide 24/7 customer support, resolving issues in real time and ensuring customer satisfaction. Financial services, too, are experiencing a revolution with AI, which helps in fraud detection, risk management, and personalized financial advice. If you want to know how AI is helping fraud detection for the banks and other financial institutions, drop a comment below. We will be more than happy to create a video only for AI for fraud detection. As we embrace these advancements, it is crucial to consider the ethical implications of AI. Responsible AI development ensures that these technologies are used for the greater good. Prioritizing transparency, fairness, and accountability. To support this, many organizations are committed to developing AI frameworks that address ethical considerations and promote inclusivity. We have created a separate video to talk in detail about transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI. Don't miss to click on the video link at the end of this video. AI is not just a technological advancement. It is a powerful tool that, when used responsibly, it can solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. From climate change mitigation and improved healthcare outcomes to personalized education and beyond, AI has the potential to change lives and create a brighter, more sustainable future. Are you ready to make a difference? Embrace the power of AI today and be part of the change for a better tomorrow? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Whether you are a user of AI tools, a project manager, AI tool developer, a business leader, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, this YouTube channel has something for you. We will break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and insights are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. If you found this video useful and would like to learn more about additional principles of responsible AI, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more deep dives into cool topics like this. You can also find us on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Facebook.